This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. When we look at the economic calendar, events planned for today is Thursday, June 9th. We have lots of low impacting news planned in the morning, and from 5:15 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for euro currency pair, and at 6 p.m. we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 8:30 p.m. we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events when you are planning your trade entry and exit. Let us begin our technical analysis. So I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the major trend of the current price action, from this level it started falling on a bearish trend reversal, and continuously the current price action is in a bearish trend. It has not broken this resistance line over here, and it is trading below this resistance line. So the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend. But during this bearish trend also, we have noticed the price to trend on the bullish side and to test this resistance line, then to bounce back on the bearish side, and we are noticing the same price action currently also. When we analyze this part of the price action more closely, from the level of 1798 it started trending on a bullish side. I am drawing a channel pattern over here, and it did not break this support line or the trend line. So considering this trend line, it is still in a bullish trend from the support line view. I have drawn a resistance line over here also, and whenever the price action tests this resistance line, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. And overall price action is in a bullish trend because it is still trading within a bullish channel pattern. When we analyze the major support and resistance levels by drawing a horizontal line, this will be the first resistance line. Next level of resistance, it's going to be here. 1828 is going to be the first support level, and next level of support is going to be around 1798. Presently, when we notice the price action, it is trading between the resistance level of 1873 and the support level of 1828. Although the price action is in a bullish trend, we are noticing a very strong resistance at the level of 1873. Currently the price action is retracing. We can expect it to take support on the bullish channel pattern support line, and again trend on the bullish side, because in the past also we have noticed the price action to take support on this support line and to bounce back on the bullish side. So the present price action in 4 hours time frame is also in a sideways, and the trading ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. I would request you to wait for the price action to break the level of 1828 to take trades on the bearish side, or to break the resistance level of 1873 to take trades on the bullish side. Otherwise, we can expect the price action to trend within this resistance and support level and move on a sideways price action. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action from the hourly time frame, previously we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance level of 1874 on the bearish trend reversal, and it took support on the bullish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame, and now I am drawing a support line or a trend line And based on this trend line, the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend. So we can expect the bullish trend to continue as long as it doesn't break this support line or the trend line. And from the past price action, we know that this level of 1874 is a very strong resistance level. So we can expect it to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal from this resistance level. And if the price action breaks this support line or the trend line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect it to take support on the higher time frame support level of 1828. As long as the price action doesn't break the support level of 1828 and the resistance level of 1874, we can expect the sideways price action to continue in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trending on a bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In the past we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side from this midline. So this midline is acting as a very strong resistance line for the price action in 30 minutes time frame. So wait for the price action to break this midline of the bullish channel pattern to take trades on the bullish side. And wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line to take trades on the bearish side in 30 minutes time frame. And overall, when we look at the price action, it is trading between the higher time frame resistance level of 1874 and support level of 1828. Currently the trading ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. Soon we can expect a directional breakout on the downside or on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame, I'm drawing a resistance line or a trend line. So from this resistance line, we can understand that previously it was respecting this resistance line and was trading on a bearish side. It gave breakout from this resistance line and went on a bullish trend, and currently it is trading below this resistance line or a trend line. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to go on a bullish side trades, or if the price action bounces back from this resistance line, you can start trading on a bearish side. And still we know that this trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame is acting as a very strong support for the current price action. And if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to take support on the 4 hours time frame bullish channel pattern support line over here. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.